Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use WP bulk delete to get rid of a bunch of spam comments. So if you go over here, I logged into my WordPress account today and immediately I noticed I had 1,025 comments that are pending. They're all spam. This website doesn't even, there's no post that even comments are allowed on it. So we don't use that functionality for this site at all. So 100% of this is spam. So I just want to get rid of it. I've already installed this plugin, WP Bulk Delete. So I'm going to go a little slow for you so that you see it. It happens really fast. I'm going to hit delete comments right here. And this is going to bring me to this little interface on how I can delete comments and different stuff. So comment status pending. I've only got pending comments right now because we never approved them. I don't need to think about the author, the comment post, but if I wanted to delete comments from specific people, I could. But I'd have to upgrade to Pro. I don't use Pro on this site because I don't need it. I do have some sites that I have the Pro version on, and it is helpful if you've got a specific person that's really nailing you for something weird. Some of the sites that we manage, we have that problem. Comment date, so I can delete comments older than a specific date if I just want to clean up my database, or I can delete a specific time frame if it came in. For this case scenario, I'm just going to delete everything in the pending, which is 100% of the comments on this site. All I have to do now is hit delete comments and wait for this job to finish. 1,025 comments will be deleted. Would you like to proceed? Yes. I do this because I like to keep my sites clean. I like to make sure that all of my plugins are updated and stuff like that. So as you can see, I have to update 4 plugins, but that's not a huge deal right now. So that's it. That's how you're going to delete comments in bulk, and those have been deleted. Let's see if I can get that to refresh. Now there's no comments left, and I've got a nice clean database. One of the reasons you want to do this is because people can sneak SQL injections and code and stuff inside your comments. So you don't want to just make them public. You don't want them publicly available unless you know what they are. So that's it for today. I hope you're having a great day. Get back to work.